What's going on, guys? In this episode we install some bigger wheels and tires to change up the stance and comparing the before and after on the Can-Am X3 XDS, so stay tuned.
Can I shoot the video?
You want to shoot the video?
Yep.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, what are we doing today?
We're gonna put the wheels on.
We're gonna put these wheels on?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So, alright, I guess here, you could hold the GoPro. You want to hold the GoPro so you can see?
Okay.
Like that. Kiddo, what are we doing today?
Putting the wheels on
So
for the Can-Am.
Alright, so we're gonna get these wheels on the Can-Am?
Yeah.
So I ended up pulling the trigger on some wheels and tires for the
Hey, I
Can-Am.
wanna hold it. And the Jeep is kind of pretty big and the wheels are pretty big.
So I ended up ordering 32-inch tires for it. I got the BFG. And for the wheels, I ended up doing the System 3 wheels in gunmetal. They are the Beadlocks. These are 15. And the offset on it is the 5.2 offset. These 32-inch tires, we'll see how much of a difference it has and what the Can-Am looks like. So what I'm gonna do before I mount up the wheels and tires and put it on, I'm gonna take some measurements of the Can-Am just to kind of see what difference it made, and then we'll compare. Overall, looks like I'm at about 63 inches wide. Let's check out our ride height. We got about 13 and a quarter, and in the back we're about 13 and a half. I'm gonna start mounting these up and see how far I get.
Dad, shoot video.
All right, the wheels are all mounted up, and here you go. There is the after. I think it definitely has a better stance right now. I think it looks better with the 32s on there, and I think the 5.2 wheels are just the right amount of offset. So I am at 56. It's on the center. Looks like we are 65 and a half. Overall, we got a boost in height, boost in tire size, and boost in width. It's amazing what wheels and tires will do. All right, kiddo, you want to take this for a test drive real quick?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. First test drive is down. It definitely rides a lot smoother than with the big horns. All right, so on the road, it's definitely a little bit more responsive as far as steering goes. I feel like it's a softer ride right now. It feels way smoother and way nicer of a ride on the road, at least. Definitely very happy with the setup. so far. The way it looks, the way it measures out, I definitely wouldn't go bigger than 32s. I think this is my absolute max on here. So if you guys are still running your stock wheels and tires, I would definitely recommend upgrading, because this already is way better of a stance and it just feels overall so much better. I'm gonna put the link in the description for the wheels and the link in the description for the tires if you guys want to check it out. These are on Amazon. The best price I was able to find was on Amazon. This came out just under $2,000 for the whole setup, the wheels and the tires. And again, right now these are the times that we're, you know, overpaying for everything, so I feel like I still got a pretty decent price for what some of these places are selling these for. I'm really excited to get this out on the trails and see how these tires do on the trails, and with the extra clearance now that I got, I feel like it's gonna do a lot better. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do, because we're gonna take that to the trails and see how it does with the new wheels and tires. I wanna thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.